Ever scroll through your phone, just
Yeah.
kind of half listening to a podcast, and then suddenly, bam, you hear something that makes you hit rewind?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
That's what we're going for. Welcome to the deep dive.
Absolutely. Gotta love those rewind moments.
Today, we're cracking open RoleCatcher's playbook on a career that's honestly way more electrifying than you might think at first.
Definitely more exciting than it might seem from the outside.
We're diving into the world of battery assembly.
It's a field that's, well, it's quietly powering pretty much everything these days.
Yeah.
From our phones, which we're all glued to, of course, the big one, the rise of electric vehicles.
Okay, so let's unpack this a little. I'm picturing, like, someone in a workshop, maybe some sparks flying,
Yeah.
putting together those little cylindrical batteries.
Yeah, the classic image.
We all know those.
Yeah.
But RoleCatcher, they paint a much more intricate picture, don't they?
They do. It's definitely a lot more nuanced than it might seem if you're just glancing at it. Think about it. Batteries. I mean, they're basically concentrated energy, right? Putting those together safely, reliably, that takes a really high level of precision. You need a deep understanding of electronics, can't just be slapping things together.
You need a very steady hand, I imagine.
Absolutely, yeah.
It's not just about connecting wires here. It's about understanding how those connections affect everything.
It's the system.
The flow of energy, how long the battery's going to last.
Right, and that's a big deal for people, right? Everyone wants their devices to last longer.
Absolutely.
And we can't forget the safety of whatever it's powering. I mean, we've all heard the stories.
Yeah, you don't want to mess around with that.
Exactly. A skilled battery assembler, they're not just like robots following instructions. They're using their knowledge, like you said, of welding techniques, their understanding of, oh man, those circuit diagrams.
Oh, yeah.
And they've got to have a keen eye for detail to create a product that honestly meets some incredibly exacting standards.
Because it has to.
Absolutely.
All right, so you're tuned into the deep dive. And today we're plugged in exploring this career path that, frankly, it's more relevant now than ever before.
Definitely a hot topic.
So let's say someone listening, they think, all right, this sounds pretty cool. I want to be a battery assembler.
Yeah.
Where do they even begin?
Well, according to RoleCatcher, a high school diploma, that's usually the baseline. But what they really value in this field is this blend of like technical know-how, book smarts,
You got to have some of that.
and hands-on experience.
Yeah, you got to get your hands dirty.
Exactly. It's kind of like an apprenticeship in a way, learning from those seasoned pros while you're actually doing the work.
Oh, for sure.
Now, some employers, they might want someone who's already got some experience, maybe in electronics assembly or even just, general manufacturing.
Right.
But a lot of them, they're willing to train you on the job.
That makes sense. Every battery assembly line is probably a little different, right? Different processes, tools.
Oh, absolutely. Think about the safety protocols alone. Each company's going to have its own way of doing things.
Right, exactly. So let's actually talk about what a battery assembler does on a day-to-day basis. What's the scene?
All right, so picture this.
All right.
You're walking onto the factory floor. Well, maybe factory is a little too,
Industrial.
Yeah, exactly. Think more like a high-tech workshop. It can be a busy environment for sure, but it's also one where you gotta be focused.
You can't be distracted.
No way, too much precision involved. You're going to be surrounded by specialized equipment, working with these tiny components, and some, honestly, potentially hazardous materials. So safety is like the biggest thing.
Yeah, you got to be on top of that.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got our safety goggles on. What's next? What are we actually doing? It's more than just snapping pieces together at that point, right?
Oh, yeah, way more. The work itself can be a whole bunch of different tasks. You might be operating machinery 1 minute, then soldering these super intricate connections the next. And then you got to make sure everything is up to snuff with quality control checks. Oh, and you could be working with different types of batteries too, each with their own little quirks and assembly requirements.
That sounds like it could get really complex.
It definitely keeps you on your toes, that's for sure.
So what about the actual skills you need to excel as a battery assembler? What are those must-haves that RoleCatcher highlights?
Well, right off the bat, welding proficiency. And we're not talking about just like fusing metal here. This is delicate, precise work.
So you really got to know your stuff, right? Like the difference between your TIG and your MIG welding.
Exactly. Got to know which technique is right for the specific part you're working on.
Because it's different for each little piece.
Oh, yeah. And of course, you got to have the dexterity to actually apply those techniques flawlessly. We're talking tiny, tiny scale here.
Like microscopic almost.
Pretty much. You got to have steady hands and a seriously sharp eye for detail. And it's only going to get more demanding as batteries get smaller and more complex. And it's not just the welding itself, right? A good battery assembler, they need a solid understanding of the electronics side of things, too.
Yeah, it's one thing to connect the dots. It's another to understand, like, the whole circuit.
Exactly. You got to see that circuit board as a roadmap, basically.
Yeah.
Know where the energy's going, what each component does, how it all works together.
It's all connected.
Literally. That's why being able to read and, like, actually understand those circuit diagrams, it's huge in this field.
Makes sense, yeah. So it's that mix of, like you said, the hands-on stuff, the dexterity, but also that technical knowledge behind it.
It's a balance, for sure.
Definitely. And then we can't forget about those soft skills, right? RoleCatcher mentioned those too. What do they say about that?
Oh, they emphasized attention to detail, like big time.
I bet.
One tiny mistake, even like a wire that's a little bit off, a loose connection.
Oh.
That could be the difference between a perfect battery and a disaster.
Yeah, especially with all that stored energy we talked about.
Yeah.
I mean, those mistakes could get a little...
Spicy.
Yeah, a little spicy. No pressure, though, right?
Right, which is why problem-solving skills are so important, too. Assembly lines, they can be really fast-paced.
I bet, yeah. Got to keep up.
Things don't always go perfectly, let's put it that way. A good battery assembler, they got to be able to think on their feet, see a problem, figure out a solution, keep things moving.
Adaptability.
Exactly. That's a huge one. And of course, we can't talk about battery assembly without talking about safety. RoleCatcher, they hammered that home, and for good reason.
Yeah, for sure. Not something you want to mess around with.
Not at all. You're dealing with potentially dangerous materials, tools that could hurt you, powerful electrical currents. So being safety conscious, that's non-negotiable.
It's got to be top of mind at all times.
All the time. And not just for you, but for everyone you're working with and the people who are going to be using that battery eventually, too.
It's a big responsibility.
It is.
Okay, so let's zoom out for a second, talk about the bigger picture here. We're in the middle of what people are calling this battery boom,
Like
right?
one way to put it, yeah.
Electric cars are blowing up, renewable energy storage, everybody needs more batteries.
Pretty much.
So what does that mean for someone who's thinking about getting into this field?
Well, that's where things get really interesting. According to RoleCatcher, the job outlook for battery assemblers, it's looking really good.
That's great to hear.
This isn't just a job, it's a career path with room to grow.
You can move up in the world?
Exactly. You can build a whole career around this, especially with how much the industry is growing. It's only going to become more in demand.
That's a powerful thought.
Yeah.
So what does that growth actually look like? What did RoleCatcher say about the career ladder here?
So you usually start with those entry-level jobs we talked about. You're learning the basics, getting those core skills down. But as you gain experience, get better at what you do, there are opportunities to move up. Maybe you become a team leader, start supervising other assemblers.
Okay, so you're managing people now.
Exactly. Or maybe you move into more of a supervisor position for the whole plan, overseeing entire production lines.
So you start with those nimble fingers, putting together tiny batteries, and you could end up running the whole factory.
Hey, it's possible. It just goes to show you, this isn't just some dead-end job. It's a skilled trade. You can make a real career out of it. And like we were saying, the demand is only going up.
Yeah, those batteries aren't going to assemble themselves.
That's for sure. And the really cool part is, the skills you learn, they're transferable.
Oh, how so?
Think about it. Electronics, welding, quality control, those are useful in a lot of different industries. You could work in regular electronics manufacturing, automotive assembly, renewable energy.
The possibilities are endless.
Pretty much, yeah. And as technology keeps changing, so will the job of a battery assembler. I mean, who knows what kind of batteries we'll be using in 5-10 years.
That's true. It's always changing.
It's exciting. You could be working on the next generation of lithium-ion batteries, or even those solid-state batteries everyone's talking about.
It's cutting-edge stuff.
Absolutely. It's like being at the forefront of a revolution. And what's even cooler is you're not just keeping up with the industry, you have a chance to actually shape it.
You're not just along for the ride. You're actually building the car. That's a cool way to think about
It's
it.
a whole different perspective, yeah.
So RoleCatcher does a really good job of explaining the whole career ladder thing in battery assembly. And we've seen it's not just a one-step kind of deal. What's at the very top? Where can you go if you really want to climb that ladder?
Well, if you're really passionate about this, love what you do, and you're ready for more responsibility, you can definitely move into leadership and management roles.
Okay, so what does that look like?
You could become a team leader, start supervising a group of assemblers, making sure everyone's on track.
So you're managing people now, sharing your expertise.
Exactly, you become the go-to person. Or you could even move into more of a supervisor role for the entire plant, overseeing whole production lines. It's a natural progression.
Wow. So you could go from those super nimble thinkers, putting together these tiny, intricate batteries, to basically running the whole show.
It's possible. It just shows you there's real room for growth in this field. It's not just a job, it's a career. And like we said before, that demand for skilled people, it's only going to increase.
Right, because those batteries, they're not going to assemble themselves. Someone's got to do it.
Exactly.
It's got to be so rewarding, too, to look at a finished product and be like, I built that, you know?
Oh, absolutely. There's a real sense of pride that comes with this kind of work. You're not just building something, you're building the future, piece by piece.
And you don't need some fancy degree to get started.
Nope, just a willingness to learn.
You got to have that passion for precision, though.
Absolutely, and maybe a healthy respect for what a well-made battery can do.
Yeah, those things are powerful. All right, before we wrap things up, I want to leave our listeners with something to think about, something that really struck me while we were going through all this info from RoleCatcher. We've talked a lot about the technical stuff, the career paths, how much the industry is growing.
Right.
But what about the human element? Who's actually doing this work? What kind of person thrives in this environment? Because it's not for everyone, right?
Yeah, it takes a certain type of person to really excel in this field.
Right. So who gets excited about the detail, the precision of working with electronics? Who loves that feeling of building something with their own two hands?
It's very hands-on.
And then you get to see that thing go out into the world, power electric cars, maybe even life-saving medical devices. It's pretty amazing when you think about it.
Definitely. There's a real sense of purpose to this work. You're contributing to something much bigger than yourself.
Exactly. And on that note, folks, we're going to go ahead and wrap up this electrifying deep dive into the world of battery assembly. Until next time, keep those sparks of curiosity flying.